1. She to school every day. Correct answer is B. Goes. 2. They football on Sundays. Correct answer is A. Play. 3. Eat coffee in the morning. Correct answer is B. Drinks. 4. The sun in the east. Correct answer is B. Rises. 5. We to the gym twice a week. Correct answer is A. Go. 6. It often in winter. Correct answer is B. Snows. 7. You very hard. Correct answer is A. Work. 8. Cat's milk. Correct answer is A. Like. 9. He English and Spanish. Correct answer is B. Speaks. 10. They lunch at 12:30. Correct answer is A. Have. 11. ITV in the evenings. Correct answer is A. Watch. 12. She her homework after school. Correct answer is B. Does. 13. We to music on the radio. Correct answer is A. Listen. 14. John early in the morning. Correct answer is B. Runs. 15. The train at 8 a.m. Correct answer is B. Leaves.